Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to give you Samsung Galaxy phone tips and tricks and also hidden features you should know. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone and first of all, I'm going to go to the setting and I'm going to show you about the assistant menu feature. So this is how the assistant menu looks like, and you will be able to access some features from here. You can get quick access to some features from the assistant menu, and then I'm going to show you how we can activate this assistant menu feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can go to the settings and go to the accessibility setting. You can scroll down until you find accessibility setting here, and then go to the interaction and dexterity, and you will be able to find assistant menu here, and then you just need to click on the toggle button to activate it. And after you have activated this assistant menu, you will get this assistant menu on your screen, and then you'll be able to edit the items here on your assistant menu. You just need to click on the assistant menu and then select this one, select assistant menu items, and then you can choose the items you want to add to your assistant menu. Okay, and then I'm going to show you about the Edge panel. This is how the Edge panel looks like. You'll be able to get quick access to important applications here like this. Just swipe the Edge panel, and then some applications will appear, and I'm going to show you guys how we can activate the Edge panel. Just go to the settings, and then you're going to go to the display setting, and here you will be able to activate the Edge panel. This one, click on this Edge panel option and you will be able to activate it. And then you can also choose the application you want to display on the Edge panel. You can select app or people, or you can add music as well. You just need to select the type you want to display, and here I have selected apps. Okay, if you want to edit the app, you just need to click on edit and then choose the application you want to display on your Edge panel. Or you can select another menu, for example music, and you'll be able to get quick access to music from your Edge panel. Okay, and let's see how it looks. Okay, you just need to swipe the Edge panel to access it. Okay, and then the third one is the advanced features. I'm going to go to the settings again, and we can go to the main setting and select the advanced features. And here, go to the motion and gestures. Okay, these are some useful features for your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can activate all these features, for example, lift to wake. If you want to wake your phone, you just need to lift it and you'll be able to activate this feature as well. Double tap to turn on or turn off the screen. So if you have problem with your power button, you can turn on or turn off the screen without the power button. You just need to double tap on the screen, and then the screen will turn on or turned off. Okay, and then you can activate the mute with gestures as well. You can mute incoming calls and all alarms by putting your hand over the screen or turning your phone face down. And then this one, palm swipe to capture. You can swipe the edge of your hand across the screen to take screenshot. This is a new way to take screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, and the last one guys, I'm going to show you this trick. I'm going to go to my quick setting panel and then activate my flashlight, and then when we tap and hold on the flashlight, we'll be able to customize the brightness. Okay, like this. And I'm just going to turn it up again. Okay guys, and that's all of the Samsung Galaxy tips and tricks and also hidden features you should know. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!